In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom audio and mic settings. Now, whether you're a seasoned Zoom user or new to the platform, managing your audio settings is crucial for a seamless meeting experience. So let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option, typically situated at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. If you use Google to sign in, simply click on the Google option to proceed. You'll then be prompted to select your account. Choose the one you normally use for Zoom, and with that, you'll find yourself on your main profile page. In the upper right corner, you'll see an icon or small image. It represents your profile. Click on this to open a drop-down menu, which includes various options, including Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will redirect you to a page where you can manage all your preferences for Zoom meetings. Now, once you're in the Settings area, look for the Audio tab on the left sidebar and click on it. This tab is your go-to spot for everything related to your meeting's sound quality. Here, you'll have the option to select which speakers you want to use for your Zoom meetings. It's a good idea to test your speakers first to ensure that they're delivering clear and current audio. You can press the Test Speaker button, and this will play a tone to confirm your speaker is working as expected. Right below the speakers option, you'll find settings for your microphone. Just like your speakers, it's crucial that your microphone is set correctly so others can hear you clearly. Choose the microphone you prefer using, and don't forget to test its input by clicking on the Test Mic option. Speak into your microphone, then listen to the playback to ensure everything is functioning optimally. Adjust the input volume if needed, and enable background noise suppression to reduce unwanted noise during calls. Finally, let's move on to the Video tab, which is located right under the Audio tab. Clicking here allows you to choose your camera and adjust settings such as video ratio and video quality. Choose a camera that best suits your needs, and remember, having proper lighting can significantly impact how you appear on screen. And that's it! Following these steps will ensure your Zoom meetings run smoothly without any audio glitches, and ensure you're seen and heard loud and clear by your colleagues or friends. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to look into Zoom's help resources. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.